made it this far.
Bro, what the fuck?
And I can't believe I had made it this far. Tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel.
Alright, so I don't know how much of this you can see, but I just woke up. I'm in the hotel room, about to get ready and head to the lobby for this private jet. We got the winners and everything flying out today. Can't lie, I'm actually feeling mad ill. I woke up today not good. I'm gonna make my way down to breakfast now and meet the rest of the boys, so I'll take you guys with me. Tell me this guy does not look mad suspicious right now. Like, he does not look trustworthy. Look here.
Trust me with your investment.
He's ready to sell you some bad financial advice.
Yes,
They're pretty correct.
These are the school shoes 500.
Yeah.
School shoes 500.
Yeah, wait for the rest of the boys to come down, and then we're gonna make our way to the PJ. We got the boy, Kareem, Sam, Aaron, one of the winners, Ollie, Hamid. Everyone, we're currently just waiting for the transfer for the private jet. What's the plan for today, Kareem?
I'm gonna jump on the private jet and ask the pilot for the ETA.
This guy's still looking mad untrustworthy over there. Get out. They got the beak. Coming soon. We arrived in the PJ. Mate, I dropped it one time. Allow me. What's the first thing you're gonna do?
I'm gonna ask the pilot what's the ETA.
Ask the pilot the ETA. We got Aaron. How you feeling, bro?
Gassed.
Yeah. It's a big PJ. Looks a bit mad. How you feeling?
Bro, what the fuck?
This is quite a big jet.
Yo, how you feeling, bro? How you feeling? Feeling crazy, right?
Alright, bro, it's fucking cold out here though. Let's get
Yo, the
it.
biggest creator in London. What you saying? How you feeling, bro?
I'm cold, bro. Yes, nice to meet you, mate. Sorry, can I just ask the ETA? ETA, estimate time of arrival.
Approximately 12:30.
Perfect, thank you.
Alright, sorry.
Serious. Alright. We're now on the jet. This is a fucking nice jet. I really, this is a nice jet. Kareem, I just asked him the ETA. No. Alright, this is nice, bro.
Yes, sir.
Seem like breakthrough capital. Man, just taking off right now. No Fugazi. Come on, G. What you saying, Danny? Oh, it's actually fucking scary.
It's very scary.
Yo, Kareem. Yo, come on. Come on, G.
We've been on this private jet for around like 15-20 minutes.
You got some
They just whipped out some food. As you can see, they just whipped out some food. Ollie, how's your first private jet experience?
Just getting lit, bro.
He's getting lit. Built to not be on a commercial flight. Different, innit? Do you feel like you're flying?
I can go back now.
Yeah.
It's what it's meant to be, bro. Champagne.
Take a seat. Take a seat. Let's talk about life, G. Cheers. It's been a mad flight. I'm pretty waved off. Everyone seems to be enjoying it.
No, we gave it to you. It's like,
Fucking love it. Yes, sir. We made it to Paris. We are right now in the Airbnb. This is my room currently. We got my boy Infamous Effects in here doing his thing. Let me take you guys outside. One of the winners right here. Ollie, what you saying? My IG. Got yeah, he's taking a shit right here. Yeah. So this is the Airbnb right here. Can't lie, it's a crazy, crazy looking place. Like, it looks like we're in a cave right now. Proper underground. Master bedroom up there. Got a kitchen. Everyone's working here. On Sam?
Paying crypto.
Crypto scamming. Yeah. Alright, cool. Get the scams in there. This is the master bedroom. Can't lie, pretty nice bedroom. This shower, absolutely insane. Like, I've never seen a shower like this. Literally, you can fit about 15 people in here. 2 shower heads, mad thing. But yeah, this is Kareem's room. Very well deserved. He's done an excellent job with Breakthrough Capital. Finally stepped out the cave. Out here. What happened to the price? What happened to the price?
It went long, bro.
What did I tell you?
Yeah, let me see.
What did I say, Kareem? Was I the only one that said long, bro?
Huh?
Oh, you actually went in.
Alright, I've just been out and about.
Trying to find Shaq.
Yeah, trying to find Shaq Lee. I believe we've located Shaq Lee. Yeah. This is just for the private record. What's he doing? No, this is for private record, isn't it? We secured the loud. We secured the loud. Went on a little mission. Put in some work. He was actually up against 6 young and he stood on business. He held it. Just loud.
And I've got extra. We bumped up.
Yeah. Yo. So it's day 2 in Paris. Woke up, got a late start to the day. Everyone's feeling a bit mash up from last night.
One guy bought a car with the paint. What actual car?
He was sitting in it.
Yeah, he was sitting there. He said I bought it, and then I was just waiting for the brick to pay up.
What type of car is it?
No, it was like a shit car, but.
That's lit, though.
Yeah.
Man, just changing people's lives. That's so.
Wait, what size account did he have?
Thank you.
10k.
You bought a car from a 10k?
Yeah, but he made 10%.
$30.
Bang.
Yeah.
He bought a car with $30.
Alright, we're actually Philly tourists right here. Everyone stopped to take a picture of this.
So let's talk about the history of this place. After World War II ended, they made this building because of Queen Elizabeth I, because she was a president, and they made this.
Pulled up beside the Louvre. It's just up there. Alright, it doesn't look open though.
Nah, like downstairs isn't open.
Why is it not open?
I don't know, bro.
So we are in France, so naturally had to get the French onion soup. It is $2.44. I don't know, man.
We're at this lovely.
I've got 65 lots on the 200k and like 30 lots. Boys, gonna yam into the steak and then we'll update it.
Wow. This is amazing.
Boys got a little bit in.
Place when you can smoke like cigar,
Oh, wow.
Okay.
like especially for the cigar.
Oh shit. This is wavy. Yeah, it's got a little secret hidden on it. Pretty wavy. Currently in this trade, as you can see, on my phase 2, running 1.2k drawdown, running 2,000 drawdown. Honestly, there's a fucking curse. Anytime Sam enters a trade with me, I've never entered a trade where he's entered it with me and I've hit TP. What's funny, the second he got SO'd out his trade, now it's retracing, I'm back in profit. The entry was absolutely horrible. Got the entry, price wicked the whole way down, almost got SL, does this shit like a couple pips away from SL. I gave it a little bit of breathing room, but it's still not great. And yeah, now we're on the way back up. German 30's horrid, it wicked the wick. Probably gonna get stopped out. 1.5% loss on my phase 2.
Not tapping in like 4.
Yeah, there you go, 1.5% as well.
Yeah. Just gonna
Shut that. It's not that deep, that's what it is. Wait. Alright, so we made it to the LV hotel, just doing a bit of sightseeing in Paris for the boys. This structure right here, mad thing. Proper LV. I don't think it's open. I think they're still building it, but it looks cool. It's cool. So we have made it to the Eiffel Tower. This is officially the last checklist on the Paris to-do list. So we have now completed Paris. This is the view. The Paris view. That is apparently what we came the whole way here for. Decent, mate, decent.
But you know it's the fence though. You can't like fall over.
Alright. So we have made it to the Eiffel Tower. Got all the boys behind me. He's about to steal it, he's been plotting this whole time. We're going up in one of those little cable car things.
Are you nervous to go inside?
Alright guys, I'm going to be entering this German 30 long. It's a position that I took earlier on. Got stopped out. Alright, it's been a little minute since we've been in this queue. About to hop on board the elevator thing. Just what? Au revoir?
I don't know what I just said. I just said French words.
This guy's been waffling the whole time in French. Just making French noises, bro.
Then you see girls that say au revoir.
Just on the second floor.
Was that
Just
it?
second floor.
That was it.
Wait, is any
Re-entering.
What shit noise? Why is it she?
Of course there's a gift shop immediately when you come out. Shit, secondary observation here. How's the trip been all in all, bro? PJ to Paris, now you're on the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, it's been a bit crazy.
Yeah. It's been surreal. Your official Eiffel Tower review.
My official review is we're pretty high, but we could get higher.
Yeah, you know about that. Alright, so these guys have betted us that we cannot walk down the stairs quicker to the bottom than they can take the elevator. Elevator's got a fat queue.
Fucking idiots.
Yeah, let's get a move on here. They're fucking idiots, mate. It's a better sightseeing than the actual view, mate. Alright, so if you can get a hard pick in here. Yeah, we're definitely not winning this bet. We stopped at this little, whatever this is. And now we can't find the stairs, so they're definitely just at the bottom waiting. So, yeah, sick. As you can see, leaving the flipping, what's it called?
The MT5.
We're leaving the MT5. with the MT5 in profit. Trade is running. I can't lie, the price action is awful. The volume is shit. As you always say, what do you say?
Not the volume is absolutely dog
The
shit.
volume is nasty. But we're still running about just under 1% in profit.
And if this trade hits TP,
Yeah.
me and Daniel and Sam are gonna get 3.
Yeah, let's go TP.
No, TP.
TP did indeed get hit, and I'm sorry guys, that is the end of the vlog. I did not record an outro, so enjoy me shutting the trade I took underneath the Eiffel Tower for full profit. And let me know if you want a full trade breakdown. I would have included it in this video, but I didn't want the video to be too long, so let me know what you thought down below. More videos coming soon. Skiing in Val Thorens next week pending.